On his farm one morning, one of his carrots had grown huge, bigger than he'd ever seen. Farmer Fred said, "I need help pulling this carrot. Let's all work together." They pulled and pulled, but the carrot didn't move an inch. They pulled and pulled and pulled some more, but the carrot didn't move an inch. The animals and Farmer Fred tug with all their might. Their faces turn red as they strain, but the carrot stays stuck. Then a little rabbit hopped over. "Can I help too?" it asked. The others laughed. "You're too small." But Farmer Fred said, "Let's try. It can't hurt." The group gives one last big pull. The carrot pops out of the ground with a plop, sending everyone tumbling back. With the rabbit's help, the big carrot finally came out. Everyone cheered. The little rabbit had made a big difference. The animals and Farmer Fred chopped the carrot into pieces. Everyone enjoys a tasty carrot feast, including the rabbit.
Oh, yeah.
Yum, 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 yum.
Remember, friends, teamwork and kindness can solve big problems. See you next time for another adventure.